Alright folks, today I've got the Bronte BT02 keychain flashlight. It has a maximum output of 130 lumens. It has the CREE XP-G2 LED. It is super micro sized, and by super I mean this is a AA battery. So yeah, we are talking about super micro sized rechargeable flashlight. This thing is impact resistance, 49 meters, IPX8 waterproof, and it does anything, the most that you can ask for out of a little bitty keychain light. 4.5 hours of runtime on low, 130 lumens at half an hour. Let's get into this thing and see what it can do. I mean, it is so small. I would consider carrying this. I don't carry keychain lights. I've never cared for them, but this one is something that I would consider actually carrying. Let's take a look. Alright guys, so a couple of things. First thing, when you get this thing, what comes in the box? Alright, so you get the box. You do not get this battery. That was just there for the thing. You get this the light. You get a owner's manual. You get a little bitty ring here that you can hook to the top so you can add it to a set of keys. You get extra O-rings, and you get a charger. But here's something else that you get that nobody knows they get. So what I want you to do when you first get this thing is, for shipping purposes, they don't want this light to turn on and drain the battery all the way down. But if you look in there, you can't tell there's anything in there except something shiny. You would think there's supposed to be something metal there, and there is. You need to hit that, get that stupid little black piece of plastic out of there so you can see that contact there, alright? Because this thing is not going to charge without you doing that. See that? So there's a spring on the inside, alright? It's got this little contact here on the other side. And now we can hook it up and charge it, right? Alright, so when it's screwed all the way in, you get the brightest. That's 130 lumens. You twist it, unscrew it slightly, and it goes down to the 20 lumens. And then if you unscrew it a little more, so it's going to be unscrewed that much while you have it off. So all the way in is bright, the 130 lumens. Then you unscrew it a bit and you get 20 lumens, and then you unscrew it even more and you get off. And then if you unscrew it all the way, it doesn't come off, and you get the micro USB charging port. How awesome is that? So we get it and we put this in there, and there's a light that comes on that lets us know it's charging. See that? And it says that it has a 1 hour quick charge. So that's nice, right? You could just, let's say you keep it on your work keys, right? And then on the weekends you just take it off and you unscrew that bad boy and you plug it up, and then you don't have to worry about it. But man, this thing is small. It's nice. I mean, and it's ready to go, just like that. Now I've got 130 lumens. And that is, I mean, that's plenty of brightness. We'll take it outside and see what it does. But yeah, this is a really nice, good feeling. And the way they described it as super micro size keychain light. I mean, it's tiny. Look at this. This is a AA battery. This thing is smaller than a AA battery. See that? Much smaller. So I would have no problem at all putting this thing on my keys. It even looks nice. And you can get 4 different colors. You can get pink, gray, blue, or black. Let's get in the manual here, just to show you guys. There's your outputs and run times, but we already looked at them. I mean, it doesn't get no better than that. All you need to know is how big this thing is, that you need to pull out this stupid little piece of plastic that's hard to see. Alright, and then this thing will charge and run. Alright, let's take it outside. Alright, so this is the Bronte BT02 light. So we're going to turn it on the lowest setting. This is the lowest setting right there. Alright, and you can see it lights up plenty. Plenty bright enough to locate your keys and open a door, or, you know, I mean, this is enough light to change a tire if you needed to. Wouldn't want to. I would want to go up a little brighter. Look at that, 130 lumens. So for up close, I mean, this thing doesn't go far. It's not forward distance. I mean, that's across the street. That's the highest setting. You can see a little bit, but it's not for that. It's for, oh, I dropped something on the ground. I dropped my keys, or I dropped whatever. I need to find it. Or I need to do a task, and I don't have a big light on me, so I've got this thing. So it's perfect for walking around and seeing what's around you. And that, I mean, that's a lot of light coming out of this little bitty keychain. I mean, just a lot. It can illuminate from one side of the road. See, there's my feet at the edge of the road. And I can see the other side of the road clearly. So, it gives you an idea of how bright it is. Alright guys, I really appreciate you watching my videos. I really appreciate you looking at the lights that I review. This is a good little small light. Perfect gift for somebody that doesn't like to carry a flashlight, because it'll fit right on your keys, and you just forget about it. Super small. I really like it. Alright guys, well, I really appreciate you watching my video. Thanks.